Yo, what's up? This is John from Judge Innovation Garage in the Peach Capital of the State. This is for your Facebook reel, fellas. I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you go to YouTube, check it out. I got the whole video on there. So, got the roll pan fasteners all the way across the top. Got them here. Did the nut inserts. I'm one shy right here. So, here it is, right here. Now I got to weld the little tabs on the bottom. Looking good, and then I'll pull it off, and then I'll high build it with CRE 921, or 921 epoxy, and then get that thing ready. Probably not have to do a lot of filler work to it because it's a really good spot, a really good piece. This is the automated direct bed, the whole bed. Check, make sure it ain't got no little dents here and there, and it'd be ready. And then jump back on the cab and block the cab out, and go back over some stuff. Let me tell you about haters. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about them. Hate, people gonna hate. One, they hate you because they hate themselves. Two, they want to be like you. Or three, they see you as a threat. I'm telling you right now, it ain't hard to find me. Google me, come on down here, bring your big boy lunch, and we'll talk about it. Don't worry about the man up the road or down the road. Sweep off your own front porch before I sweep off anybody else's. Put God first, that loose end drag piece of chicken grease, I'm out.